Okay, so discuss natin 'tong problem under MST, calculus siya, maximum, minimum. A rectangle is inscribed in the ellipse having the equation, find the area of the largest rectangle that can be inscribed in the ellipse, no? So, i-maximize natin yung area ng rectangle. So, drawing lang muna tayo, no? Rough sketch lang. Let's say ito yung ellipse natin. So, base sa equation ng ellipse, no? Centered at the origin yun, no? Yeah, assuming na lang na equal. Like, assuming na accurate yung drawing. Ito yung rectangle natin. Okay? So, ulit natin yung as x 'to, 'di ba? So, symmetrical naman yan, x. And ito y na. So, ang area ng rectangle natin ay equal sa yung width, length times width, no, which is 2x times 2y. Yung area ng rectangle natin ay 4xy. Ino-maximize daw natin 'to, kaya lang dalawang variables, ayan. So, kailangan natin siya ma-express into one variable, no? So, paano natin magagawa yun? Gagamitin natin yung constraint equation, yung equation ng ellipse na given. Okay, so we have x squared over 36 plus y squared over 25 is equal to 1. Isolate natin yung, everything isolate ka lang yung y, no? So, lipat ko tong x squared over 36 sa right side, 1 minus x squared over 36. Then, multiply ko by 25, no? Multiply by 25 both sides para ma-cancel yung 25 sa denominator. 25 times, ito simplify mo, add mo lang, that's 36 minus x squared over 36, tama? Then take the square root para ma-isolate natin yung y. That is, y is equal to square root ng 25 by 5, square root ng 36 ay 6, no? Square root ng 36 minus x squared. Ito na yung ating y, no? Which is ito, ipa-plug in natin siya dito sa y ng ating area para in terms of x na lang siya. Then afterwards, we can perform differentiation, no? Okay? So here, dito ko na siya isulat. Area is equal to 4x times y, which is 5 over 6 square root of 36 minus x squared. Simplify muna natin, area is equal to, ito mga cancel, no? Divide by 2, 2 na lang to, ito 3. So 2 times 5, that's 10 over 3 x square root ng 36 minus x squared. Now, perform first derivative, then set the first derivative equal to 0, then solve for x. Ayun na yung magbibigay ng maximum dimension for x. A prime is equal to constant lang naman. Ito, paano natin ito may differentiate? Product rule lang. So, derivative ng x ay 1 times square root of 36 minus x squared plus x. Derivative nito ay, di ba, 1 half square root na chain rule, no? Di ba? Then, derivative pa ng loob mo, which is negative 2x. Derivative ng x squared. Kasi 36 constant naman eh. So now, equate mo yung set mo to equal to 0, no? Then solve for x. So 0 is equal to 10 over 3. Simplify mo itong nasa loob. So 2 times 36 minus x squared. Di ba? Minus na to, 2x squared. All over 2 square root ng 36 minus x squared. Alright, so simplify natin. So if you multiply both sides by, multiply both sides by, multiply both sides by 3 over 10 plus times 2, 3 over 10 times 2 squared and 36 minus x squared. Ano mapapansin natin dyan? Ito, tsaka ito, maka-cancel out, no? Kasi yung nasa, ano mo naman, left side mo 0 eh. So pag minultiply mo nito, 0 pa rin yung left side. So 0 is equal to, matitira na lang yung nasa loob na numerator. 2 times 36 minus x squared minus 2x squared, no? So 0 is equal to, distribute mo yung 2, 72, no? Then, negative 2x squared minus 2x squared. 0 is equal to, 72 minus 4x squared. 72 is equal to 4x squared, no? Divide both sides by 4. X squared is equal to 36. So, sorry. Para ilan ba yan? 18 lang ba na? Get the square root, no? So, x is equal to positive, negative, pero since we're dealing with length, positive lang i-consider natin. is 9 times 2, di ba? Which is 3 square root of 2. Ito na yung ating x. Mhm. So now, substitute natin yan sa y. Ito yung y natin. Babalik ka dito. Kaya, yan, no? Substitute na yan dyan. Makuha mo na yung y. So, y is equal to 5 over 6 square root ng 36 minus x squared. Yung x squared na yung gamitin natin, which is 18. 18. So, y is equal to 5 over 6 square root ng 18. So, same lang din, di ba? Square root ng 18 ay 3 root 2. 5 over 6, 3 square root of 2. Is equal to, ito cancel, di ba? 3 over 6, 1 na lang to, ito 2. Therefore, yung y natin ay 5 over 2 square root of 2. Ito yung ating dimensions, no? Pero hindi pa yun yung sagot, no? Kasi tinatanong is yung largest area. Saan ba equal yung area natin? 4xy, di ba? So, substitute lang natin yung x and y, di ba? Area is equal to 4xy. Therefore, ang ating maximum area ay 4 times 3 square root of 2 times 5 over 2 square root of 2. Ilan yan? So, 4 times 3 ay 12. Times 5, that's 60 divided by 2, that is 30. Tama? Square root of 2 times square root of 2, by 2 na lang. So, therefore, ang ating sagot ay 60. Okay? That's the maximum area, okay, of the rectangle. So, in this case, the answer is B. Okay, so actually, may shortcut to, no? Pag kapag ganitong problem, ang maximum area ng rectangle ay, ano lang siya, tawag dito, 2 times AB, no? Ano yung A dyan? Di ba, ito yung minor and major axis ng ellipse. Di ba, ang 36 kasi, sa general equation ng ellipse, or standard equation, A squared yan. Di ba, yung longest siya yung A squared, yung smaller ay yung B squared. Solving for A dito, makukuha mo ay 6. Solving for B, ang makukuha mo ay 5. Plug in mo lang. 2 times 6 times 5, you will get 16. Okay? Okay, yung shortcut natin. No? For any problem na ganito. 2 times AB, wherein A and B, yan yung length ng minor and major axis mo ng ellipse. So, yun lang, no? So, that's it for the problem. So, tuloy pa natin siya sa susunod, no?